Hi guys, it is August 20th and I'm in my entryway. Please excuse the hot mess because I'm just at the point where it's like messy here, don't care. I need to unpack my house and I have a week. So here I am. I am going to be unpacking and setting up my china hutch today. I just wiped it all down, cleaned it, and then I'm going to be unpacking the boxes and setting it up. Thought I would speed through that footage and then at the end show you the little walkthrough of what's in there. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm really excited. This was a piece that I got from my mom, and a lot of the china and things are like family hand-me-downs and things. We have my grandparents' urn and our wedding stuff that goes in there. So just kind of like all the really precious things. If there was like a house fire or something, like this would probably be the first place I would go. So it's kind of nice because it's right here, like the door, and you walk in and that's like the first thing you see. So I'm excited to decorate it and make it look pretty for everybody to see. So here we go. Okay guys, check-in time. I unwrapped all of this china and we only had one casualty all of this. There was only one thing that broke. I had 4 of these bowls and one of them broke right here, this guy. So he was on the very bottom. So that kind of sucks, but only one. I was actually kind of surprised because we weren't super gentle, I don't think, with bringing this box in. So this is all just like family stuff. Like my mom and my stepmom have both given me, I think, all of these. The only thing I think we've actually gotten is we got this like president's plate because Brand's really into history. We found that at a garage sale or something. But everything else I think was given to us. This was a vase that Brandon had gotten me. Our wedding was this teal and it was like teal and coral with like burlap and lace. It was a rustic wedding. So these top 2 shelves are things for our wedding. And we had our theme, was that, but we had like little lovebirds and things. I have another box I just realized at the other house, so I'm gonna have to go get it. But that box has 2 of our vases from our weddings that were on our tables, a coral and a teal one. So I wanna replace these 2 regular ones with those 2 once I bring those over, and then also I have the 2 lovebirds that I thought I would put right here. I don't want to block this too much because my mom made that for me, and sorry the glare, but it has our wedding invitation, our save the day, it has a picture of Brandon proposing, and then it has dried flowers from our wedding. So, and then these are our dried flowers. That was my bouquet, and then these were some flowers from from like the ceremony spot, and then these are some of our groomsmen and Brandon's flowers that were on their shirts. So these drawers are completely empty. This one locks, which isn't really necessary, but if it does lock, I was hoping to possibly leave one of these drawers for Bella's like leash and her toys and things. Sorry, motorcycle went by. And there she is. Say hi. She's been very attached. You probably saw her in the beginning like trying to be right next to me, and I had to be like, Bella, back up. So she settled right there. But I would love one of those drawers to be with her stuff. I'm just not sure if I'll have room. So we're just going to have to see. If we don't have room for her stuff, I'll find another spot for it. But yeah, now I just have to organize all of this in here. I wanted that top part to be like our wedding and then, you know, other memory stuff. So we'll see how much of this I can also just put in the drawer. A bunch of this is like cookie jars and, you know, a tea, like china tea sets and things. So not stuff we actually really use very often ever, but I do like it. I think it's pretty, and it, you know, was given to me by my mom's. So all right, I'm gonna go ahead and start organizing this. I've organized the top two. This is bare right now because I'm trying to find more things to put in there. I'm being a little bit more picky about what's being shown this time versus our old house. I kind of just threw it all in there. But the top two are wedding things. I'm debating on, I think I want to bring this shelf down like I did that shelf so they're even. And then I actually think I'm going to bring these two up one since there's all this wasted space. And that way this one down here will be taller and I can fit more. It's kind of what I'm thinking right now, but I'm going to see what I find for down here. But I'm definitely going to move this shelf down to be even. So all that stuff up top, wedding stuff, and then my grandparents' urn. And then I picked one china set. It's this one with this very light blue gray floral, and then the other china set I put in here. And then we have our like cookie jars and things like that. This one's pretty, like, that one's seasonal, so I'll bring that one out. The Oreo one's really cute. I might put that on the counter eventually, but I thought I could just like switch them out for now. And then I ended up putting these two vases over here, and I'm going to put those with the rest of the vases over in the laundry room like I showed you guys yesterday. So that's this guy so far. This drawer is still empty, so I do think this is going to be Bella's drawers, where I can put her leashes, her collars, not her actual play toys because we just put those in a bin so she can get to them, but we buy her toys. Sometimes we'll buy them if they're on sale. We'll buy a bunch and then we keep them, and we kind of like give her one every once in a while, so we can put those in here. Her, you know, her nail clippers, doggy bags, all that kind of stuff. So that's all gonna go right here by the door. That'd be easy. And I'm gonna try to find some more stuff to put in here. I also need to run by the house and go get those other jars to replace these two, but it's looking really cute so far. Okay guys, I'm in the entryway and I kind of thought I would show you my progress today. This corner has all of our boxes that we've been breaking down, all the paper I've been breaking down, empty totes that I'm going to take to pack up the office. I cleaned up the front porch. There's my purse I'm going to take to their house to upload this video. Cleaned up the table. Obviously none of these boxes are here anymore, so this is all nice. I organized the hutch. I don't think I showed you guys this, but this is, we collect shot glasses when we go on vacation and stuff. So like that, those two are from our honeymoon, I believe, and then we've gotten a bunch from different places we've been. That's just an empty basket for now. I'm going to get a command hook for right here, and I'm going to hang my apron, so that's why they're right there. Here is kitchen update. Still need to organize some things, finish the, you know, light plates and all that. Move Bella's water back here. Good girl, Bella. And so, yeah, that's the update for today. I'm going to have to stop cleaning. I have friends coming over for dinner. And go ahead and start cooking, actually, and go upload this video. So I'm going to go ahead and go, but, I mean, here's a little update. This area really hasn't changed. Still some stuff to unpack. Some signs to hang up. Office is the same. We did finish setting up at least our bed so we could sleep, and our nightstand table, it matches really well with the wood ceilings, which works out. So haven't, you know, organized extra blankets, our closet or anything like that, but at least some progress for today. The progress the rest of this week is probably gonna be really slow because I need to work on some trainings and things for work. So I don't know, I'm gonna be around how much more I'm gonna get done this week. We'll see what I film for you guys and get up. But this was the dining room foyer entryway organization for now. And I'm going to go ahead and upload this video for you guys. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.